Hi guys, welcome back again to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show Wi-Fi version number on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your OPPO Reno 7 5G. Here in settings, go to Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi, okay, tap the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and you can see the advanced settings. Okay, tap the advanced settings. Here in advanced settings, go to Wi-Fi status display. Okay, tap this. Here in Wi-Fi status display, okay, you can see the Wi-Fi version number. And on the right side of this Wi-Fi version number, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, you'll have to do to show the Wi-Fi version, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it, okay. So okay guys, the version of my OPPO Reno 7 5G Wi-Fi is 6. And the version of my connection or Wi-Fi connection is 4. And okay guys, that's it, okay. We have successfully showed the Wi-Fi version of my OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, so if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.